Welcome to this amazing video. So here you can see we have AI tools for script writing. So if you're somebody who is who want to write a script for a particular scenario of a particular video or particular content that you would want to create. So what are the AI tools that helps you to create a script? So this is a very big question and the very first question. So moving ahead, let me show you some of the tools which are very important and which are very, of course, free to use because now AI is actually free for people like who are curious, who is like, okay. So here you can see the very first tool is InVideo.io. This is actually a free tool which you can use in order to create AI script. Here you can see AI script generator. Use AI to write a script for your videos. In video AI script generator creates a lot of blah blah blah. So a lot of things. Choose AI text to video. So you can also use these things. AI text to video or AI, ask AI to write a script. A lot of, factors, a lot of things that you can do into this tool. So this is very amazing tool. All you need is to sign up and create an account and then, just try out this tool for your script. And, if you have any topic in your mind, you have any subject, if you have any particular sort of niche you would want to create a script on, you can also you can use this tool. Moving ahead, here we have another tool which is like toolbars, which you can use AI script generator. And you can see this is free of cost. You don't need to make any account on this website. The best thing is, you just don't waste time to create a lot of to create account. Here you can see enter topic here, how to create a budget. So how to let's see what kind of scripts this tool will going to provide us. Here you can see we have a lot of chatbots which this tool is actually using. So these are the API keys which this website is actually using. So you can select any API model like ChatGPT 4.0 latest. So let's just use this. I hope this will create us a good script on this particular topic. So if you're if you're new here and and you're like curious about the content creation and producing content for like on per different social media platforms, so first thing first you need to have a topic in your mind and then you should creating scripts. Here you can see a lot of scripts. Video title is like how to create a budget, your step-by-step guide to financial freedom. Intro is amazing. Host. Hello, hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the topics that can change your financial life. How to create a budget, whether you are trying to save for a big purchase, pay off debt. So very good script in section one. First, first thing first, what exactly is a budget? So they are also describing what is a budget, what type of here you can see gather your financial information. So all the tips and tips and tricks of how you can actually create a budget according to your financial conditions. So this is first thing first, you should create a script and then you should convert this script into the audio file, and then you create some of the images or videos regarding that topic, and then you combine all of those things and then you create a video form content piece. So that's, I guess, that is what content creation is. So well, this is another tool which is like deepgram.com AI. So this is basically extension which you can also use. Here you can see try Nolan AI. So you can also use this extension here. Just download it and try this out and see what kind of features they are helping with and what kind of problem they are actually solving. Here you can see lots of things. Power script editors, AI Capilot, revision tracking. So all of those things are here. We have another tool which is ChatGPT, which is you guys are very well aware of. So this is basically a product. If you want to create something, you can also use this. Create me a script. If I press S, my video will be like ended. So that's why I just not type S. So the AI model is very intelligent. Here you can see they get it a script. So here you can see the script you will going to get the sections, modern voice. Opening scene is focus on the. So this is, I guess, this is actually the some of the tips that how you should be creating a script. Moving ahead, we have another tool which is Grok.com. So this is also, here you can see create images, edit images, last news, personas, and a lot of. Moving ahead, here we have another tool which is Duck.ai. So this model is actually have a lot of free tools. Cloud Tree, Lemma 3.3. So you can also use all these because these all tools are free in this one particular pack. So I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say and what kind of tools you should use for creating a script for your YouTube or for any sort of videos you want to create. So I hope you understand. If you have any question, do let me know. I will, answer each and every questions.